previously sellers entered here, and they changed to enter point here. Again,
Okay.
if you consider this as a downturn, for example, here buyers.
Okay.
Again, here we are seeing again sellers. So how can we
Okay.
expect this?
Can you speak loudly? I can't hear your voice.
Yeah, in this case, we are sellers are here in previous stage. Okay,
Okay.
and they change to entry point here. So
Yes.
as it is explained, how can we know whether sellers are going to enter in the second place? I mean, different entry or same entry? You can
They
also
will
explain this.
enter on the same level. Okay. I will just wait. I will explain. Sellers enter from same level
Yeah.
again. Okay. They may enter, but they will enter surely when market cross the seller's entry point.
Okay.
When market cross the seller's entry points, it means sellers will definitely enter, but we don't know from where they enter. But we need
Okay.
confirmation to enter with sellers. Okay.
Okay.
Now the sellers area is here, right? This whole area is sellers area. When market come to this level, sellers will enter, but you need confirmation. Okay,
Okay.
you need confirmation. But when market cross this level, sellers will definitely enter.
Okay.
Okay, this is a sellers area. Sellers may enter from this level, but they will surely enter when market cross this level. But we don't know from where they enter, but we need confirmation to enter with sellers. Okay, they changed their entry point from here to here, right? This is now the seller's entry point, but we are seeing the seller's candle from here, right? So this is also a seller's entry point. So now this whole area is a seller's area. When market come to this level, if you get one good confirmation, one or two good confirmations, you can enter. Okay, they changed again their entry point. Now this is the seller's area. You can see the seller's entry because of this area. Yeah, again they changed their entry point. Okay, from here to here. So again when market cross, they change their entry point. Again market cross, they change their entry point, right? Again they market cross, they change the entry point.
Bro,
Yes.
one second. Here, let's say we are seeing other sellers, and suddenly we are seeing buyers. Again, sellers enter here. So can we say this in the whole area is a seller's area or buyer's area? As it is after.
Yes.
So how can we say expect this sellers?
Actually, can't get your question. I
No,
can't hear your voice clearly.
so we are actually in the uptrend, right?
Oh, this is uptrend, right?
Yeah, okay. And suddenly sellers enter here,
Okay.
okay? And sellers are continuing their power swing here. And here we have got a rejection. So can we say treat this as a buyer entry?
This is the buyer's entry, but I'm explaining about only seller's entry in
Yeah, that is
uptrend.
okay. And after buyer's entry, again we are able to see it is a seller here.
Yes.
So I'm asking after buyers are there, again some sellers are entered here. So can
Yes,
we
they
see
are
the,
interested to enter.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I asked. Oh,
Yes,
how
in
long?
uptrend there are some sellers. Sellers will enter, but I am explaining about sellers entry point, right? Sellers entry point to trade.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
I am not explaining about this. I am explaining only about sellers entry point to trade to give you some good winning ratio. Got it?
okay, okay,
Okay. If you want, I will explain you clearly in Telugu. Okay,
okay.
don't worry. Okay, who is this? Okay, I'm explaining only about sellers entry point. If you enter with sellers, you will get some good winning ratio. You will get some good winning trades. That's why I am explaining this logic. So when market cross, it means sellers will enter, but we don't know from where they enter. But we need confirmation to enter with sellers. Okay, most of the time sellers will enter. You can see this is seller's entry point now. Again, they changed their entry point from here to here. There is no seller's entry. We are not seeing any strong rejections in these candles. Okay. Again, we are seeing the sellers here. It means when market again cross this level, sellers will enter. Okay, because we are seeing the sellers here. This is strong buyer's entry. Okay, you are seeing this is buyer center, again seller center, buyer center, seller center, buyer center, seller center. But you can see here, you can observe this strong bullish movement. There is no seller's entry, right? There is no seller's candle here. It means it is going up. You can't trade here. So, and one thing, if you see one strong seller's entry like this or like this, it means again when market come to this level it will reverse, but you need confirmation to enter with buyers or sellers. You can see here. So this is the point, this is sellers area, this is buyers area. Buyers entered very strongly, again buyers entered from same level. Okay, this whole area. Okay, so you can see here buyers entered from this level. Okay, buyers entered from this level very strongly, but we are seeing the buyers entry from this level. Okay, this whole area is a strong buyers entry place, again reverse from the same level because the buyers entered very strongly, right? In market come to this level, buyers will enter, but you need confirmation. You can trade against the trend, it's not a problem. Only at strong buyers area and strong sellers area. At strong sellers area, at strong buyers area, you can trade. Okay, it will give you some good winning ratio. Okay, this is strong sellers entry point. Sellers entered very strongly from this level. There is no bullish candle here. So again, when market come to this level, it reversed because of this strong bearish entry. Because this is very strong bearish entry. You can see here also sellers entered very strongly. The market is this is very strong bullish movement. Even there are strong buyers, the sellers entered very strongly from this area. It means this is very strong sellers area. It will reverse when market come to this level. It will reverse at least for 1 minute, but you need confirmation. You can see the rejection. Again, sellers entered very strongly from this level. It means there are still some sellers who are interested to enter into the market. So again, sellers entered. You can see there are strong sellers. You can see there are strong sellers. You can see there are no strong sellers. There are some sellers. There are some sellers entry from this level. So that's why it break this level. And this is very strong candle too. Buyers entered very strongly. Still buyers are active in this session. That's why it break this level. So if you see any strong bullish, if you see any strong bullish entry or buyer's entry, bullish entry or bearish entry, you can choose the levels. It will work, but you need confirmation. If you get one confirmation, you can trade on this level. But if you don't get any confirmation, it will not work. You need to enter with confirmation only. Okay, when strong sellers entry, buyers entry place, it will work, but enter with confirmation. It will give you some good winning ratio. If you enter with confirmation, most of the time it will reverse, but if you enter with confirmation, it will give you some good winning ratio. Okay, you can see sellers entered very strongly from this area. because previously the sellers entered very strongly from this area. You can see the strong candle, the strong seller's entry. So if you get one confirmation at the same level, you can trade against the trend. It's not a problem. It will also give you some good winning ratio. And I told you the sellers will always change their entry point. If you get one or two strong sellers entry candles, you can trade with sellers. Okay, you can trade with sellers here and here also. You can trade against the trend, it's not a problem, but only in uptrend or downtrend, not in ranging market. If you want to trade in ranging market, okay, just wait. If you want to trade in ranging market, you can choose these levels. You can draw the levels, and when market come to this level, you can trade with confirmation, and when market come to this level, you can trade with confirmation, because this is ranging, this is in ranging, so it will reverse. But you can't trade here. The market, the candle must close at the level, the candle must close at the level, then you can trade. You can see this is the breakout candle, right? This is also a breakout candle. You can't trade here. You can trade here, 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 and here also you can trade. In the ranging market, you can trade against the trend, it's not a problem, but always trade with confirmation. If you have some good experience, if you have some good knowledge on it, then you can trade without confirmation. You can trade, you can see the rejection in the live candle also. Okay, I will show you, just wait. So you can see the seller's entry and buyer's pressure here, the rejection from buyers. So you can see the confirmation candle in the live candle also, but you need some good experience to identify the confirmation in the 1 minute candle. Okay, I will show you here. So because this is strong level, this is in ranging market, and market is following, the market is moving in this range. Okay, you can see the rejection from sellers entry in this candle. Okay, you can see the seller's entry in this candle. So this rejection, you can identify the rejection in the 1 minute candle also, but you need experience to identify the 5-second confirmation in the 1 minute candle. Okay, you need experience. If you practice well on demo account, you will get some good experience, then you can easily identify the strong rejection in the 5-second. You no need to see the 5-second confirmation in 5-second chart. You can identify the 5-second confirmation in the 1 minute candle too. Okay, but you need some good experience. To get experience, you must practice on demo account. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Hello, are you there? Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have one question.
Yes.
You said that in ranging market there is a way of trading, and in uptrend or downtrend we need to follow something else. Can you just repeat that bit?
Which one? An uptrend or downtrend? Seller's entry and buyer's entry point?
In ranging market, what is the difference between an entry point in ranging market and on a uptrending market?
In the ranging market, sellers always choose one entry point. This is the fixed entry point. Okay, they entered here, again they entered at the same area, again they entered at the same area, again they entered at the same area. There is no difference, right? This whole area is the seller's area. But in uptrend, sellers always change their entry point. Okay? They will not enter at the same point. They will enter at the same point, but they will surely enter when market cross. When market cross the previous entry point, they will enter above the previous entry point. Okay, but you need confirmation. The sellers always change their entry point. Okay, you can see here. Just wait. So you can see here, this is the previous seller's entry point. Now the seller's entry point is here. Sellers shifted their entry point from here to here. Got it?
Yeah.
Now this whole area is a seller's area. Okay, when market come to this level, sellers will enter. But when market cross this level, sellers will definitely enter. Okay, sellers will definitely enter. Market cross this level, sellers will definitely enter. But you need confirmation. But but in ranging market, sellers or buyers choose only one entry point. This is the buyer's entry point. This is the seller's entry point. Got it? They are entering at the same level, right? At the same pricing point. At the same point. Buyers are entering at the same point, right?
Yeah.
So in ranging market, you no need to shift the level, right? Like in uptrend you always shift the levels according to seller's entry, right? You always shift the market, but you no need to shift the market here. You no need to shift the entry point here. Their entry point is same every time, right?
এটা এরিয়া এই দেখেন ভিতরে করেনি এই
Got
এরিয়া
it?
Yep.
এই এরিয়ার উপরে ক্লোজ করছে না
Okay,
তারপরে
anyone have
কিন্তু
any questions?
আবার সেলার্স
No, sir.
Okay, Imran.
Yeah,
Yes,
bro, how
Imran.
many time I should trust a ranging market on the same level?
Okay, just wait, I will explain. Okay,
This level
start.
has been used for 3 times, like this,
Yes,
this, and this,
yes,
and fourth time also.
yes.
So how many time I should trust a level on a ranging market to take a trade?
You can trade every time. Okay, it's not a problem. You can see the market is moving like this, right? The market is moving in this range. When again market come to this level, and when market come to this level, you can trade here with confirmation. But you can see the buyers entered quickly on the next candle. You can see after this candle there is no sellers, only buyers entry, right? It means
Yeah.
it is going to break this level.
Okay.
It reverse quickly, right?
Yeah.
If it would come to this level and it would come to this level again, you can trade here. You can trust this level, no problem. But enter with confirmation. Always confirmation.
Okay, if after this candle, sellers go more down, then
Which
again,
one?
if this candle, bro, if after this
Okay.
candle,
Yes.
if
Yes.
seller goes more down, then
Okay.
buyers come back, and I will
Okay.
take another trade for lower option. If it again
Here
came
at
back
this
to the
area,
resistance line, yeah,
yes, you can trade
okay,
because the market is still in ranging market, right? But
okay,
here the market is not in ranging market. It break this level, break this ranging market, right?
okay,
So if market comes down from this level and reverse from this level, and when market come to this level, you can trade here with lower option with good confirmation. Okay. Now,
okay,
but here there is no seller's candle. Instead of seller's candle, buyers entered, right? And this is very strong bullish candle. It
and
break
the
this level.
next candle is a hanging man, red hanging man. It is because maybe this level, it was a
Yes.
seller's level, and buyers broke that level, and then sellers again entered.
Yes, I already told you. sellers or buyers always change their entry point. Okay, I will just wait. So you can see this is now a seller's entry point, right? This is
Okay.
now a seller's entry point. Again, they shifted their entry point from here to here. Now this whole area is a seller's area, right? This whole area is seller's area. Again, they shifted their entry point from here to here. Now this is the seller's entry point, right?
Okay.
They shifted from here to here. Again, they shifted their entry point from here to here. Got it? So the sellers entered because of the seller's entry point, right?
Yeah.
This candle crossed this seller's entry point. Okay, that's why sellers entered. But if you get one confirmation, you can trade. Okay, again they changed their entry point from here to here. Now this area is a seller's entry point, right? So this
So, bro,
this candle breaks.
if this red candle touch this support line and got a rejection, then we can trade for a call option here.
This candle or this candle?
This candle, bro, this candle.
No. You can't trade quickly on the next candle. I already told you, if this would be a fake breakout because of the seller's entry, it will close here, right?
Yeah.
It will close here like this. You can see, if it would be a fake breakout, it will close here.
Okay.
Okay, you can't trade here. Even if you get one confirmation, it will break this level and close here sometimes. Okay.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can't trade here. I already explained about fake breakouts. If it would be a fake breakout, okay, just wait. I will explain. Okay. You may think this is a level, right?
Yeah.
This is a level. It breaks this level. You may think it will go more up, right? Because this is very strong candle. It breaks this previous level, right? But it reversed because sellers and changed their entry point, right?
Yeah.
When market cross this level, when market cross previous seller's entry point in uptrend, sellers will enter. I already told you, this is fake breakout. You can't trade here. Even if you get one confirmation on this level, you can't trade. Okay, it
Okay.
may break this level because this is fake breakout. So similarly, if it would be a fake breakout, it will close here, right? That would be your last trade.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, bro, got it.
So you can't trade quickly on the next candle. If you want to trade on the same level again, you need to wait for the market at least for 5 minutes or more. And when market again come to this level, you can trade in the direction of the trend. This is uptrend. You can trade here with confirmation, but you can't trade here quickly on the next candle. It may close like this sometime. Okay,
Okay.
then you will lose your trade. You can't trade quickly. You can trade here, okay, because the market goes up and down. It goes at least for 4 minutes. Then, so you can trade here. You can't trade
Okay.
on the next
On
candle.
this candle, I can trade for a call option with a rejection.
Yes, you can trade.
Okay.
You can trade if this would be a strong level. Okay,
Okay.
but I am explaining here only about this ranging market. In ranging market, you can trade against the trend. It will work, but trade with confirmation. Always trade with confirmation. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay. Do you have any questions? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, Vamshi.
No question, sir. No.
Okay, Manikandan Raj. Hello. Yes. Do you have any questions?
No, bro, no, bro. Tomorrow, what's the topic?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow I will explain about some important candlesticks and their behavior.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. I will explain about in the I will explain about candlestick analysis. Okay, this way you can trade. It will also give you some good winning ratio, and it will also help you to identify the next candle. Okay, because you know this is the level. When market cross, you can trade here, right? So I am trading like this. I know when market cross this level, this is very strong candle. Strong candle means reversal candlestick. I already told you, strong candles will always reverse the market. Most of the time it will reverse the market, right? And this is seller's area. This is seller's entry point. When market cross this level, I will place put option here, because the strong candle will reverse the market and sellers will change their entry point. That's why I will trade without any confirmation. Got it? So you can also trade like this, but if you practice it on demo account, then you will get some good idea. Okay, you can also trade with these points. Got it? Okay, do you have any questions now? Imran?
No, bro, I don't have any question.
Okay, practice well on demo account. You will get some good idea. Okay, if you have any questions, you can contact me. I will explain again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, anyone is there to ask me questions? Okay, we will continue our class from tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Practice well on demo account.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, Anjit, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Anjit.